This is a chemical hazard warning. This message has been requested by the New York Police Department. As of 7:36 p.m., a chemical explosive device has been found at 7326 West Street in Manhattan. People in a 100-mile radius should be in your home, with all ventilation shut off to prevent chemical odor getting in your home. Stay tuned to WMAQ. We will continue to serve the Albany area. Stay tuned for updates. This is a civil danger warning. This has been requested by the New York Police Department. As of 8:16 p.m. the chemical device has gone off, and has hit the Twin Towers site, but minor damage has happened, said the police chief. The riot is still going on, and has not stopped. The riot has been cited with guns and explosive devices. This is WNBC and we will continue to serve the Manhattan area. Stay tuned for updates.